Well guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be showcasing our brand new side skirt covers for the FL5 Type R. Not only in black, but the color match options. So in front of you guys, this is the side skirt covers. We took this off our buddy's Michael's car, which he replaced it with the color match one. But literally just bolt on 3M double-sided tape and then using some self-tapping screws on the bottom. So all I gotta do is cup over your stock side skirts, which I'm gonna show you guys how to put this on in a bit, and then transform the whole side. So for gloss black, I can drop a photo here and you can show them, you guys can see the photo here. So it's still pretty nice contrast, but let me show you guys the color match. We're gonna install on our buddy's car today, but before we show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys Michael's car, which you installed this yesterday. So check it guys, this is the color match championship white. Obviously color match won't be 100%. You can never match plastic to metal. If you can see from the Type R, the stock bumper in the back and the quarter panel is two different shades, but we try to do our best, give the best color match. In my opinion, this is about like a 95% match. If you guys are painters, you guys know how tough white is to color match. But I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, from the side, the car looks much lower now. As you guys know, the black actually makes the car look higher, but with the color match, it does sit a lot lower. Michael also has a bunch of parts by us. If you don't know, he has a diffuser, which is available online. He has your exhaust, our wing, color match. He has the new GT2S wheels, which we dropped on the video last week. He got the window visors. On the front, he has our V2 color match lip. So this is a very good combo set if you want to run the V3 color match lip with the side skirts, or the V2, or the V1, which you just dropped. Michael also has these sidewall canards, which is super aggressive, gives a front end perfect stance. This car is perfect, guys. This is a perfect championship white, you know, OEM plus. Everything's OEM plus, minus the canards. Canards are very aggressive OEM plus, but it looks really great. So we'll show you guys today how to install a set. It literally takes about 10 minutes to put it on, but maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes more for you to prep the car. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and let's get started. On this FL5, it has our side skirt extensions. So you can't install this, but you can remove this. And if you really want to, you can stack this under our color match side skirts to give it that extra girth. So that is an option as well, guys. So if you're interested in the market, you can do both. So the car should sit a lot lower. But before that, let's go ahead, get this car out. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna prep everything. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Stick it on and then let's see the transformation. Alright guys, once your side skirt is off, or if you don't have the extensions, the next step is prepping. So this is very critical, guys. You have to clean this thing with alcohol wipes. The 3M tape will sit on the upper part of the area, and that's where you're gonna be cleaning the most. Of course, since you're here, might as well clean the side skirts, right? And I'll say this again and many times in all my videos, adhesive promoter plus good 3M tape, things not coming off. Alright guys, once you're done cleaning, let's go check out the color match side skirts. Well, you've seen it on Michael's car already, but this is available for the Boost Blue. If you're interested, check the link below. I'm pretty sure by the time this video is out, it's already sold out, but you can always catch the next drop. It's in the package, come like this. The good thing about our extension covers is that you don't need a drill. There's some other aftermarket ones that require you drilling and cutting, and no one has time to do that, you know? These guys, beautiful. And what we can do is do a quick test fit. So wherever the 3M tape is, that's where we're gonna apply the adhesive promoter, but just a quick, you know, test fit to show you guys what it looks like. You literally just cut the front and the back. Boom. Damn. Look at that. Easy, guys. Literally super easy. But I'm gonna show you guys the prep, which is the most important key to doing this. All right, guys. In the package, you get your AFD decal, premium decal, okay? You can't even order this, by the way. If you order this, it's a different kind of style on the website. So this is pretty cool, very premium. And then you have the adhesive promoters, okay, the wipe and the bottle. So today we'll be using the wipe and the bottle together. And then there's some self-tapping screws, which we'll be putting under the car. So guys, like I said, I did a test fit earlier. You need to put adhesive all over this area where the tape's gonna sit, okay? So to do so, open up your adhesive, pack it, and wipe. This is critical. This will make it stick. This is already pre-applied, but we have to put some extra adhesive because it doesn't hurt to put extra. Go ahead, make sure wear gloves because it smells really, really bad. work around the edge because this is where the tape is gonna sit. Don't be shy to use more. Once that is done, do let it sit, let it air out, let it dry for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and peel back the 3M tape on the extensions. Now this part, you can apply once for 3M, okay guys? Oh, 3M, if you misplace this, okay, and just pull it back and the 3M tape falls, you have to redo again, okay? So what I like to do is start from the front, you can cup it in already, just like I did right now. And the main part is the 3M right here, okay? So we're gonna hug the bottom up, push from the bottom up, okay? And boom, like that. Let it sit, yep. Let it sit, pull, push, pull, push. Okay, make sure this part's sitting. Okay. Oh. What's right here? Just like that, okay? Once that is done, let it sit. Make sure you do this in warm temperature, guys. If it's cold, 3M doesn't like to stick when it's cold. So you have just an extra prep, okay? And now that is done, there are provided screws for the back end here. You don't really need it. If you really want to, you can. It's not gonna fly off, but I don't think you need it. The main thing is the screws on the bottom. So there will be indicated holes already along the bottom of the side skirts. I will use those spots and just drill it in. I can see. All right, for the bottom, guys, there's 5 slots, little indications. You can put these short self-tappers. These ones are for the side, but honestly, I don't think you need to do it. But if you want, you're more than welcome to. Let me show you a small indication on the bottom. Line it up and drill. All right guys, once you're done with all the screws on the bottom, you can do the other side and we're pretty much done. So I'm gonna finish the other side and show you guys the final results.
Hi, how are you?
All right guys, as you can see, we just finished. The car looks 10 times more aggressive, super easy. That took me and Jerry it took me about like 5-10 minutes. Like I said, another 5 minutes for prepping. Other than that, guys, the car looks much slower. Oh, by the way, this car has so much mods. If you want to see the whole list of mods, you can check out his IG. Or, real quick, I'll show you the AFD mods he has. He has a rear diffuser, same as the white one outside, championship white. He has our wing, but recently he painted the outside. So this is a full gloss black, our sport wing, and then he just painted the outside. Pretty nice, very Orient Plus. And he has now the side skirts, V3 front lip with our color match side skirt cover. So this is another option compared to the one outside. Michael's championship white Type R has the V2 lip. So this kind of gives you an option to run which one you want to go with. So like I said, you can also put the extensions on there, which I will show you right now. So if you do have the extensions, because our V3 have the black insert on the front. So this can actually change the style just a little bit more. Boom, just like that. You're able to extend it out a little bit more, you know. I know some of you guys watching this right now, you're gonna do this. So again, this is another option you guys can do. But that's it for this video, guys. If you're interested in the product, please check the link below. Limited drop on this batch. If you do see online, order it. If not, they'll be here in a couple months. But that, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video. Smash the sub button. We have new parts coming for the Type R. I believe 2 more parts coming. So we'll catch you guys on the next one.